And I want to take a look now at the QuickTime videos and see what that looks like. So let me click here. And as I said, this is for both Mac and PC. It doesn't matter. And you can use just about any web browser you want. And you might need to get the latest. It's a free download from quicktime.com. And it can, again, be working for both Mac and PC. This table is a little bit harder to read. Again, you'll see that section 1.1 to 1.5 are still grayed out, but 1.6 has part 1, part 2, part 3. That's because I took that 40-minute video and broke it up into 3 parts to make it a little bit easier to handle at a time. Too much of Bob Pryor is not a good thing. Anyway, let's see where we get with this. Okay, now we're to our QuickTime page. Let me scroll down a little bit. And in a moment, that video is going to start. And as you can see up here, it says this is number 6 of 75. So I've recorded 75 videos in all. And this is really the same video. And you, again, right now you can't hear my voice because it's not going through this recording. You can just hear what I'm saying right now. But it's the same kind of thing. We just don't have those little tabs where we can jump to ahead to certain places within the video. Also, we do not have a picture of me over here in this corner. And that's, that is as it is. That's fine. You don't really need to see me, but you certainly can hear me. Now down below, well, let's see, we can scroll ahead as I said. So let me see if I can click here and jump ahead. And this is section 1.6, page 2, example 1. I can skip ahead even further. And here we're now on example 2. I can jump ahead further. Now I'm on example 3. And at the end, you'll notice, remember, this is not the full 40-minute video. So at the end, what's going to happen is a little box will come out and, well, here it is. It says, next go to the video for section 1.6, order of operations, part 2. Now, the way we would go there, we could actually go back to the page that had the table, or we can come down here to this bottom, and it looks like these film clips, and these are in a kind of a strange order. You'll notice that if I hover my cursor over one of them, the first one, in fact, let me get that back, is section 10.1. Anyways, you can see that this one is a little bit highlighted with a kind of a blue or white outline, and that's the one we just got done watching. And you can see there that's section 1.6, part 1. It says part 1 of 3. And here is part 2 of 3. So we can actually click here and start the next video. And it picks up right where this one left off. So here you can see that it tells us that this is part 2 and that you should watch part 1 first. And it begins and picks up right where it left off. Okay, let me click out of this. And let me go back to the original page that has the 2 different formats. The question might next be, how do we access this page? How do we get here? And there are a couple of ways. One, let's see, from my home page, bobpryor.com, we see Math 52 video tutorials. Let me click on that. And here we are, right at the page that we needed. So from the home page, it's easy to find. Now let's see, from our Math 52 page, which I could either click on the book, or click on this link here, or click on this link here. This is the Math 52 page for RCC, my Math 52 page anyway, and there's, as you can see, there's RCC WebCT login and some other links. Let's see the, oh, right here, Math 52 videos. If I click on that, we get right back to this page. Now, if you're in my online class, let me show how it is that we access this page directly from WebCT. Here we are inside of the WebCT online page, and I'm going to open this up so I can take a look. Oh, look at that. This red V, video tutorials. Let me close that and it's just the red V. But either way, when I click on that, it takes us to this page. So that's how you can access the online videos. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, be sure to write to me or write to your instructor, and hopefully they'll work well. If one format doesn't work, then the other one certainly should.